We are living in unprecedented times. Reading or watching the news all the time is only making things worse. We sometimes feel sad, stressed, confused, scared, angry during this time of crisis. And it is normal to feel so during a crisis. But don't let fear take control, because fear reduces your immunity. Live one day at a time. Be kind to yourself and show more kindness to the people around you. Just remember, this crisis is going to end. And rest assured, we will eventually come out of this. There is light at the end of the tunnel.